Hello everyone, welcome to this video on an overview of ELibrary module in IFW Campus ERP 2.0. During this video, you will have a look and feel about the product. In the module list at the left, there is a module ELibrary which is divided into two forms, Manage ELibrary and the ELibrary itself. Let's have a look at the dashboard of this module. The dashboard gives you an easy access to any form of this module. First, we look into the master section, Manage ELibrary. This allows you to manage your ELibrary and upload the documents, ebooks, videos, images, links, anything on this particular form and share with the concerned users. For example, we have shared here some of the documents, videos, we have an ebook, we have some images, we have some articles. Let's see how we can add it. Suppose we want to add a document. So from the category given here, like document, videos, images, ebooks, articles, etc., you have to choose your desired category. You have to give an order number, that on which order it will be listed while it is visible to the users. Your status, whether it is an active document, inactive document or pending. Only the active documents will be visible further to the concerned users. You have to give a title, a description along with some keywords which will be helpful in searching these documents or any other material in the ELibrary. You have to upload your document using this option. Upload it from here and click on save in order to save your records. So this is how we have added in document. Let's see how we can add a video. Select a category as video, give the order number. Your status should be active if you wish that it should be visible to the users. Give a title, description and keywords as we have given it earlier. Keywords are helpful in searching the material in the list of materials present in your ELibrary. Give your link for the video here and simply save your records. Similar to the videos, you can also add other images. Instead of giving the link, you have to upload the image itself. The rest of the details will be same, like selecting the category, it should be an image. Select the status, order number, give a title, keywords, descriptions and add your image here. So this is how you have added the image. If you wish to add an ebook, select the category as ebook, give the order number, status, title, descriptions and keywords. Select your book from here, upload it and click on save. Now comes the articles. Let's see how we can add an article into the ELibrary which is further visible to the users. The rest of the details and the selections will be same, like your category will be article, order number, status, title, description and keywords will be given in the same manner as for the others. Now you have to add the content of your article here. The editor is given here. You can use various options while writing your content here in this section. You can add the image using this option. You can add any link using this option. You can add the table using this option. You can change the font family, font size, font styles, colors, etc. Various options are given here. You can use these options to create and manage your content. Save the record once it is done. This is how we can manage the materials or add the materials in the ELibrary which are visible further to the concerned users. You can generate the reports using Export and Export Plus buttons. Export allows you to generate the reports in HTML, PDF, Excel, CSV, etc. It gives you the details as it is listed in the listing section. Let's see how the reports are generated. So this is how it gives you the general details about your items added in the ELibrary along with the size and the status of the item. On the other hand, Export Plus allows you to modify your reports as per your requirement. For example, you want title, then category, then you want to have the views, likes and ratings on these items. You want to check the number of downloads for these items. You can also use these various options provided here. Click on export and print. It will give you the desired report. This is how this report has been generated. Next form in the ELibrary is the ELibrary itself. Here, all the items added in the ELibrary are listed as per the order level given to them. You can search any items by using the name or the keywords added there. Any related item will be listed here once you click on search. You can also select the type of the item that you wish to search. Suppose you wish to search some documents. So there are 2 documents. If you want any ebook, you select the word ebook and click on search. All the ebooks that are present here in the ELibrary will be listed here. You can select them. If you want to download them, you can use this button to download it. You can hit a like. You can rate it by using these options. If you want to add any comment, you can add it here like this and click on submit. So this is how you have rated the document, you have commented on it. These comments are visible on Manage ELibrary here. You can check the comments from here. You can edit it if you wish to. And click on save. Similarly, let's have a look at another comment. So this is how these comments have been given here. If you think this comment is not good, you can delete it. In ELibrary, you can check the size of the file from here. You can check the number of likes and number of views from here. These are the recommendations and these are the popular searches. You can move on to any particular section directly. So this is how you can have a look at the item of your choice and you can add a comment or you can like it. On the form Manage ELibrary, if you want to check that how many people have liked the items or downloaded any items or viewed any items, using this export plus button, you can check all these details. Like we selected the fields category, title, number of views, likes, ratings, downloads, and then simply clicked on print. So this is the report that has been generated, which gives you the details about number of likes, number of views, the people who have rated it, how many people have downloaded it, etc. This was all about ELibrary. Thank you.